Om Hara Namo Parvati Padaye. We thank all the people who have donated for this Kartik Purnima. I'll read the list of people who have contributed for this Kartika Purnima Annadanam. Bharatwaj Gotram, Kiran, Kolluru Vishwanadam, Kolluru Kameshwari, Sandalya Gotram, K. Ramakrishna, Salavasa Gotram, G. Venkateshwarlu, Bharatwaj Gotram, Vijay Krishna, Juturi Adi Narayana, Atresha Gotram, Sampath Sudarshan, Kondapuram Renuka. We pray for their health and prosperous life. Modgalya Gotram, Harish Ramanujadas, Sunita, Sri Nikita, Rajagopal, Rama Devi. We pray for them in the family to get a good foreign job and good health. Nandishwara Gotram, Komarala Ravi Kumar, Komarala Harika, Komarala Manvit Prasad, Shivanya Prakash, Shivagotram Akilya, Atulya, Tingu, Ramadas, Yashoda, Vishnu Gotram Ravindran, Chandrika, Adira, Sarada, Markandeya Gotram, Rajesh Chilveri, Rajesh Rajmauli Chilveri, Mamta Rajesh Chilveri, Ritika Rajesh Chilveri, Rudrans Rajesh Chilveri, Rajamauli Ambaji Chilveri, Yashoda Rajamauli Chilveri, Ambika Rajamauli Chilveri. We pray for their better health, wealth and prosperity. Ravishankar S. Haritasa Gotram, Venkat Arun Kumar Tumulapalli, Bharati, Jayavadan Shrika, Vaishnav Sri Kartikeya, and their Pitrus, Keshav Rao, Anand Rao, Venkata Sivudu, Indra Satya Kumari, Jaya Lakshmi Sheshamma, Bharatwaja Gotram, Bhogeshwar Rao, Sri Ramamurthy, Varalakshmi, Ramamma, Kashyapa Gotram, Chandrika. We pray for Sundaramma, her mother-in-law, to get Moksha Prapti. Mudunula Gotram, Siva Prasada Dasa, Menama and Saha Kunubanam, Suvarna Gotram, Shobit, Jayanti, Mohit, Bharatwaja Ramani Vittal Gotram, L. Vittal Rao, Shiva Gotram, Tarun Kumar, Shiva Gotram, Anbalagan, Sumati Reena, Gandasiri Gotram, Venkata Subba Rao Potu, Venkata Ratna Kumari, Bhargavi, Srinivasa Rao, Sahana, Yella Mandamma, Viparla Gotram, Narsimamurthy, Anupama, Govarshini, Parameshwar, Venkata Ravamma, Koti Narsimamurthy, Vishnu Gotram, Jagadish, Chenchu Lakshmi, Moksha Sri, Kanimma, Venkatesan, Atreya Gotram, Vidya Raghavan. We pray for their well-being. Atri Gotram, Anita, Anjali, Anupa, Anara, Anita, Chandra Bose, Ravi Kumar, Arun. We pray for a good child, Santana Prapti in their family. Paidipala Gotram, Gundamulla Venkatesh, Kalyani, Yashasri Lakshmi, Venkat Rao, Rama Lakshmi. We pray for a good job, business and good family relations in their family. And we pray for their daughter Yashasri Lakshmi for a good life, good health, and we wish a good life for her daughter, for his daughter. Siva Gotram, Ramasamy Subramani, Venkateshwari, Nandagopala Gotram, Rajesh Preeti, Nivesh Tejasri, Shiva Gotram, Shankar Raman, Diksha, Riyan Sastik. We pray to Shankar Raman on his birthday on 15th November to Lord Arunacheshwar to bless him. Bala Gotram, Maduravali Rajaram, Inia Ilango. We pray for Inia's good marriage life. Shiva Gotram, Subramanian, Vaityanathan, Nalini Vishwanathan, Valli Kannu, Tyagarajan, Deivanai, Subramanian, Shiva Gotram, Shanmuga Priya, Vashishta Gotram, Asim Biyari, Seema, Hisan, Kashyapa Gotram, Venkat Prasad, Savita Nagakiran, Prasad, Uja Bhargavi, Kaundanyasha Gotram, Kiran Verma, Kali Dindi, Ravi Kumar Verma, Kali Dindi, Shanta Kumari, Kali Dindi, Dharmakari Gotram Venkatesh, Srinidhi, Sri Achyut Krishna, Kashyapa Gotram, Siddharth Bajaj, Aruna Bajaj, Nabanita Bajaj, Markandeya Gotram, Jakka Sri Taram, Supanasa Gotram, Tejapriya, Pinakala Gotram, Shailendra Gudipate, Shushmita Sai, Shritan, Shrisha, Shiva Gotram, Yavanya, Nagrunan, Prema Kumari, Deepan, Pranavi, Disha, Vedavasha Gotram, Vinay, Lalita, Vedakshata, Vishnu Datta, Venugopal, Vatsala, Bhavya, Achintya Prabhu, Pogunala Gotram, D. Nageshwar Rao, Sri Krishna, Parasa Venkata Sai Ganesh, Haritasa Gotram, Sri Aditya Sharma, Udaya Hima Bindu, Brahma Siddhant Sharma, Shanmukha Sri Sahiti, Singamala Gotram, Gundabogala Ramakrishna, Sarvani, Kalyana Chakravarti, Naveen, Vijita, Sarada, Girish Grishma, Gunaranjan, Grita Kaushik Gotram, Apurva Chakrabarti, Chandana Chakrabarti, Srivatsa Gotram, Venkata Lakshmana Rao, Rajeshwari, Damu Rajesh, Raj Prabhu Rajendran, Yushana Sri, Pandi Paramasivan, Rajendran, Kaundilya Gotram, Katakam Srinivas, Meena Vallishwaran, Jayanti Swaminathan, Avala Gotram, Sudarshan, Manju Vani, Nanda Reddy, Neelima, Shiva Gotram, Shekhar, Tanuja, Priyadarshini, Jaya, Harshita, Alambayan Gotram, Saumi Mahanayak, Nagula Gotram, Ganta Lakshmana Rao, Ganta Sri Devi, Lohita, Ramesh Raja, Bhaskar, Kashyapa Gotram, late Sri Kantilal Vitaldas Zaveri, Srimati Sarlaben Kantilal Zaveri, Siddha Reddy, Krishna Reddy, Anantaraman, Shiva Gotram, Munuswami, Suganya, Mautika Astriya, Mutula, Sri Ritish Vikram. For all the people who have donated for this Purnima Annadanam, we pray to Lord Arneshwara. நாம் சொல்றது அப்படி திரும்பி சொல்லுங்க. அண்ணாமலையார் அருளால், உண்ணாமலை மணலால், அன்னதானத்திற்கு உதவி செய்த குடும்பங்கள் அனைத்தும் அவள் அறியாது சேர்ந்த சர்வ தோஷங்கள் நீங்கி, சர்வ ரோகங்கள் நீங்கி, அவளது வாழ்க்கையில் தனம், தானியம், சந்தானம், ஜெயம், தைரியம், பலம், ராஜ்யம், வாகனம் ஆகிய அஷ்ட ஐஸ்வர்யங்கள் பெற்று, சம்பூர்ண ஆரோக்கியம் பெற்று, அவளது வாழ்க்கையில் எல்லா நலமும் வளமும் பெற எல்லாம் வல்ல அருணாச்சலேஸ்வரரை பிரார்த்திப்போம். ஓம் ஹர நம பார்வதி பதயே.